Hello and welcome to Online Learning with Mrs. Bedford. Today I'm going to introduce you to the power of positive affirmations, an effective way to adjust your mindset and set yourself up for a great day. So what are positive affirmations? Well, positive affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself. They describe how you want to be, feel, or even what you want to achieve. When you first start saying positive affirmations, it may feel a bit weird because the things that you're saying may not feel true for you right now. But over time, they may start to change any limiting or negative beliefs you have about yourself or about not being able to do something and replace them with positive thoughts and beliefs. This change in mindset instills confidence, belief, positivity, and ambition, and may even change your actions. For example, right now, you may have negative thoughts about a subject you don't like or find challenging. Having an open mind and repeating positive affirmations about this daily can change your mindset. In time, you start to feel more positive and open to the idea that you may not know it yet, but with time and effort, you may. Soon you may notice that you're paying more attention in those lessons, asking more questions, putting in a bit more effort when having a go. Before long, you may notice that you're making improvements and even starting to like it a bit more. This can be applied to any area of your life. For example, when trying a new sport, wanting to make new friends, or even to create a new healthy habit. I encourage you to treat this like an experiment. Give it a go for 21 days in a row and see what happens. You've got nothing to lose, right? You might even surprise yourself. Find a comfortable place to sit or lay down, somewhere you feel safe and won't be distracted. You may leave your eyes open, or if you feel comfortable, gently close them. Now, before we begin, let's take in 3 deep belly breaths. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. You'll listen as I say the affirmation, then repeat the affirmation with me, either in a normal speaking voice or in your head. Simply relax and follow along with me. Let's get started. Today, I feel positive and happy. Today, I feel positive and happy. Thinking positively comes naturally to me. Thinking positively comes naturally to me. I enjoy thinking positively. I enjoy thinking positively. I radiate positive energy. I radiate positive energy. I choose to think positively even when things don't go my way. I choose to think positively even when things don't go my way. Thinking positive thoughts makes me feel good and lifts the people around me. Thinking positive thoughts makes me feel good and lifts the people around me. I feel positive, happy, and so grateful for the wonderful things in my life. I feel positive, happy, and so grateful for the wonderful things in my life. Life just gets better all the time. Life just gets better all the time. Thank you. Take a few moments now to just feel that beautiful, warm, positive, happy feeling inside. When you're ready, wriggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes. Go out and make this the best day yet.